today is a day of hope, that our sister, our absolute amazing sister, has her voice heard. Her voice is gone, but we'll never stop fighting for Jennifer.
So today in the Seanad I introduced my bill in terms of establishing a domestic violence register. This is an important day and very much informed by the work that my colleague Deputy Jim O'Callaghan has been doing, and also by Jason Poole. On the 17th of April 2021, Jason's sister Jennifer was very sadly murdered by a former partner. Now, it turned out afterwards that her former partner had actually been in jail for 2 years for a previous domestic violence assault. If Jennifer had been aware of this, there is no doubt that she would be alive today. So what I have introduced is a domestic violence register, which will work in the same way as a sexual offenders register, where if somebody is convicted of domestic violence or coercive control, that they go on a register, and it is their duty and responsibility to inform Gardaí where they live. In a country where we've had 256 deaths, violent deaths of women since 1996, 87% of those by men known to them, it's absolutely crucial that we do what we can to protect more women from dying violently like this.